how to make a scrolling website on Squarespace. This is about to help you through it, as you can understand and see. It is still to be really navigating through the progress. That is still to be really very important to be dealing with that progress, as you can understand and see. That is really to be very important to be doing it, as you can understand and see. That is still to be really very good to be what we are looking for, what is about to be really here to design, and then about to be on the side styles. So what we can do after the site styles here, about enable smooth scrolling if applicable on the template. So on 4 site parts sections, so what we can do is about to go for search for miscellaneous, and then image blocks, start to search for scrolling, or go for editing here and start to add scrolling part that it can be really over this progress.